So let me show you how to enable or disable iMessage on the iPhone Air. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is go into settings. Under settings, you want to scroll down to apps, tap on that, and then scroll all the way to M and find messages. Now under messages, you will see the option for iMessage. Currently, iMessage is enabled. So if you want to disable iMessage, you can tap on that to switch it off. And that means now when you send a message, it's just going to be a normal text message. And to enable iMessage, turn that on. Now it's going to take a moment to activate. So it's going to look for the information it's going to use to activate iMessage. So just be patient. And then once you see send and receive, that means iMessage is now enabled. So if you have someone who's also enabled iMessage and you have their contact saved with their iMessage information, you can now send iMessages to other people. Blue bubbles. Thanks for watching and good luck.